exciting video. So today I want to show us two tricks that we can use in Excel. One is how to do a simple data entry process. Then the other is going to be how to use index and match. So let's get started. So while on this cell, I'll put a number
0.
here, 10. Then hit enter.
10.
So while still on my home tab, I'll go to the editing group and I'll use the fill icon. So I'll come to the fill icon, and instead we have the fill down, fill up, fill left, then series. I'll use the series. So I have 10. I'll go back to where this cell is. I can see this. I'll go back to where this 10 is, then go to the fill. So I want to use the series. So I want to fill down the series. I want to fill it on the column, not on the rows. And I want the steps to be 10. I want the steps to be 10. So I want to have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like that. Then I want it to stop at 150. I want the number to stop
10.
at 150. So I'll hit OK. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, up to 150, like that. So the next thing I want to do is I want to show us how to use index and match. So what index does is that it's going to give you a value, the value of what is in a particular position. So let's say, for example, let's say equals to, I'll undo that. Then I'll go to a cell here. I'll say
10.
Equals to index. So index has two compulsory arguments. The one in the square bracket is not a compulsory argument. So it's asking for the array. The array is here. So I'll select the array. And the second argument is the row number. So I want to get what is in row 1. So I'll put 1. So the third argument is column number, which is optional in this case. So I'll just keep that, and I'll close my formula and I'll hit enter.
10.
So the value of what is in the row 1 in this array is 10. So that's how index works. So now I want to do match. So let's see how match works. So equals to match. So it's asking for my lookup value. My lookup value is I want to see the place of 50 in this cell. So 50. Then I'll put my comma. That's the first argument. Then lookup array. My array is here. My lookup array is here. That's the second argument. Then it's asking for the match type. So the match type, I'll be looking for the exact match, which is 0. So I'll use 0 and I will hit enter.
5.
So this match has given me where 50 is on my array. So it's telling me that 50 is on the 5th row. 50 is on the 5th row here. 50 is on the 5th row in my array. 50 is on the 5th row in my array. So now let's combine index and match. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say equals to index array. This is my array. Index array. Then instead of inputting the row number and the column number, now I will not do that. I'll just hit the comma and I'll use match. I'm going to mix the formula. I'm going to use
10
formula. So I'll use
10,
match, and we'll be
5.
combining formula. So we use match. So match. So the match, the argument is the lookup value. What do I want to look for? So I want to look for 50. So what is the lookup array? The lookup array is still the same. So I'll select my array again. So it's asking for the match. The match is 0. So I'll hit enter. I'll close the bracket, close the second bracket, and hit enter. 50. So it gave me 50. So with this formula now, what I have told Excel is, let's start from the match match part. So what I've told Excel is match. We have seen how match works. Match shows you the number, that is the row number, that the value that the lookup value is. So here I said match 50 in this range and give me the exact value. So what it has done is that it has looked for where 50 is here, and it gave me the row number, which is 5. So we also know that what index does is that it gives me the value in a particular cell. So what I, since match has been able to locate where 50 is, which is row 5 here, so what index did is that index gave me the value that's in that row 5, which is 50. So that is how you can combine index and match to find the value, a value in a particular array. So I hope this helps. Thank you.